Dina's Daily Dish.
Uh-oh. The custody battle is on and poppin'. Halle Berry and her ex, Gabrielle Aubrey, going head-to-head over their 2-year-old daughter, Nala. He says she's jealous because he started dating that reality star. Now she's saying he's verbally abusive, even calling her the N-word. SMHLC. Shaking my head like crazy. Hey, check this out. Sir Elton John says that Kanye West is a stone-cold genius, like Miles Davis meets Frank Zappa. Looks like Glee star Jane Lynch putting pen to paper. She's reportedly writing a memoir. Happy Accidents will reportedly hit stores in September. Spencer Pratt set to make a music video with KFC. The former Hills star has been approached by the fast food chain to help promote their fried chicken using his song Ain't No Thing But a Chicken Wing. Gwyneth Paltrow and CeeLo Green teaming up again, and not only that, according to People Mag, the couple will be joined by the Muppets when they take to the stage to perform at this year's Grammys on the 13th. Larry Hagman going to be rocking his Stetson again after signing up to star in the upcoming Dallas remake. The actor who played the ruthless oil tycoon J.R. Ewing for all those years will be joined by original castmates Patrick Duffy and Linda Gray. Russell Brand gearing up to host Saturday Night Live, and who's been tapped to be the musical guest on this week's SNL? Chris Brown. I'm loving that. Congrats in order for Mariah and Nick. Carrie and Cannon, of course. Yeah, they've already announced they're having twins, but now they're telling us if it's baby boys or baby girls. Looks like the couple will be buying lots of pink and blue. They're reportedly having a little girl and a little boy. Justin Bieber stands all of 5'6", maybe? But he's going to be taken to the court with other celebs on the 18th in this year's NBA All-Star Celebrity Game. The Biebs will join the likes of Jimmy Kimmel, Rob Kardashian, Jason Alexander, and Common. But did you hear? The owner of an LA store reportedly filed a police report claiming that a $5,000 necklace was stolen. And get this, surveillance video shows Lindsay Lohan in the store and wearing the bling. Yesterday, she turned it in. No word yet on whether the store is going to press charges. I'm Dina, and that's your Daily Dish.